Hello, I'm David with Rose Electronics out of Houston, Texas. We're at DSE 2012 and we are showing off products for the digital signage applications, and some of our highlighted products are, for example, it's a QuadraVista HDMI. This product enables you to have up to 4 computers or 4 devices, HDMI devices, coming into the product, and enables you to have one output, one monitor. So simply you build up a multi-viewer on a single screen, and you can daisy chain multiple boxes together to build up more videos into one screen, up to 16. The product is powerful, high resolution, and it accepts up to 1920 by 1200 resolution. So 1080p is definitely a possibility in the product line. You can connect DVDs, players, Blu-rays, Xbox, or regular PCs, and be able to have all the video generated. The product comes in as one piece and low cost, and enables you to have all the flexibility. So what we would like you to do is visit Rose Electronics at www.rose.com.